Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the LiveKernelEvent 141 hardware error on Windows 11 in no time. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to check your memory. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type memory and select Windows Memory Diagnostic from the search result. Now in here, click on Restart Now and check for problems, and Windows will try to detect any issues with your RAM and fix it if possible. Afterwards, you can check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to run DISM and SFC scans. To do this, press the Windows button, type in CMD, then run command prompt as an administrator. Now in here in the command prompt window, make sure to type in the following commands or copy-paste them from the description below, but press enter after each command. Note that the scans can take a bit of time, so just wait it out and relax, and after it's finished, restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to uninstall and reinstall the video graphic drivers. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Device Manager from the list of options. Now in here in the Device Manager window, make sure to expand Display Adapters, then right-click on the problematic device and select the Uninstall Device option. Now the last thing you have to do is tick the box next to attempt to remove the driver for this device, and then click on the Uninstall button to once again confirm the choice. Afterwards, restart your computer and once again open up Device Manager, and you will see that Windows will automatically re-attempt to install the drivers for you. Then you can check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to update Windows 11. To do this, press the Windows button, then select Settings from this list of options. Afterwards, click on Windows Update on the left pane, and then on the right side, click on the Check for Updates button. You will see it in here. Right now I have some updates going on, so make sure to click on the Check for Updates button and then wait until Windows will download and install the updates for you. And you can check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to initiate a clean boot. To do this, press the Windows button, type in msconfig, and then select System Configuration from the search results. Now in here under General, make sure to click on Selective Startup, then make sure to tick the box next to Load System Services, then untick the box next to Load Startup Items, and keep the box next to Use Original Boot Configuration checked in. And move on to the Services tab, click on Hide All Microsoft Services in the box, then select Disable All. Moving on, click on Startup on the Startup tab of course, and then click on Open Task Manager. In here you can simply disable any unnecessary software, then close this window, click on Apply and OK to save the changes, and then restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. And that's it. Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.